morning, y'all. It's Miss Tanya, your holistic hair and scalp restoration practitioner, coming to you live from at home. Just want to show you all how I wrap my hair. So I do use a 4-bristle brush, and don't judge me because this handle broke off years ago, but a near bristle broke off. So I'm still rocking with it. So I start out by blow drying my hair, which I've already done with my Silverbird blow dryer, because it removes, like, watch me remove that buckle. If you just run the blow dryer down that area, oh, did you just see that? Oh. It's the safest way to remove the buckles. I call them buckles, because it's not, you're not really frizzy, but your hair in certain areas get buckled. So I start out by creating my base by just going around in a circle. I hold the top of my hair down so that my wrap don't bunch up. That's the most frustrating thing wraps do if you're not wrapping this way. And then I just start going around. Now mind you, while y'all watch my hair wrap this easily, you have to understand, I'm a 49-year-old woman. I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. So I've been wrapping my hair for at least 30 years now. Every single day. So of course my hair is trained. That's what happens when you stay on top of something, you know, like your kids. As long as you stay on top of anything and you do it consistently, you're gonna get good at it. Everything gets easy and it becomes so rewarding. So I do though keep going round and round, and then also what I'm doing is exfoliating my scalp as well as I'm brushing into my wrap. This is why you use a brush, not a comb. And don't be using those white girl paddle brushes or those wig brushes. Those are for wigs or white girls. It's not for wrapping your hair. But let me turn around so you can see how I work. See this finger, how I'm working this area under here, because I can feel the bunching, like right in here. But you gotta hold the area down before you brush, or else it's gonna get messed up. Also, your wrapping area is above your head, not across your forehead. I'm sorry, above your forehead, not across your forehead. I see a lot of women wrapping, which ain't many, going across the forehead like this. Wait, I see some girls wrapping like this. You know, that's gonna catch your sweat if you allow your wrap area to come over your forehead. You want it to come up like this. See that? All right, so I'm gonna lock this in right here because it don't have to be perfect, and I don't have to add any product to my hair because I got low density. They used to call it good hair. Because you see how that right there is falling? That's all right. It's gonna get caught because see, I use this Velcro. Now, if you're not using the Velcro, maybe you gotta use more time and keep going to make it stupid perfect. But I don't have to do that because I have this amazing alternative solution called a Velcro wrap that I just place on that controls my sideburns and it controls my nape. Now you see how that's poking out back there? All you do is take your finger and tuck it in as you pull your Velcro up. You see that? And then, last but not least, turn your Velcro. Listen, as soon as you overlap your Velcro, you've bunched your hair. And then when you unwrap, you're gonna have a little crinkle cue, a little crinkled area, and that messes up the whole wrap. So make sure when you attach your Velcro, you turn it. Man, I got to teach y'all everything. Like, where y'all been? I know. Y'all just been rocking with the beauty school knowledge and ain't had a Miss Tanya in your life. Now you about to have Miss Tanya in your life to help you clear your confusion and end your struggle. That's all this is all for, is to help you with your business, end your struggle. Then, after you place your Velcro, you then have to put a scarf, and a large one at that. I see a lot of women that are using do-rags. They're using shoulder scarves. That's not only gonna cause you some hair loss, because those pop up to here, but they usually come off overnight. And if your scarves is popping off in your bed overnight, you need to take my classes because mine don't ever pop off overnight. I mean, there's a process to everything, and I'm ready to teach you. how to tie this. There's a specific way I tie. You see what I just did? That matters. You see the placement of my scarf? Do you see my ears? No. There's a reason for all of this. Then I tie it back here because I'm getting ready to get in the shower because I don't wrap my hair overnight because it kills my volume. But I got to do something when I get in the shower because I don't want to re-flat iron my whole head. So I'm going to come back after I get out the shower, and when I get ready to unwrap my hair, I'll unwrap it and then show you what I do before I leave out, okay? Hope that was helpful, and I hope you learned something. And if you didn't, then I need you to make sure you register for my upcoming online courses and or my in-person trainings, which happens to be starting in Phoenix, Arizona in March on the 24th. I'm bringing my my holistic scalp detoxing training, which is going to elevate you to nobody's business when it comes to your scalp services, because scalp detoxing not only feels amazing, but it decreases hair loss and generates a new hair growth at the root. Your clients will be coming back bugging you, talking about, but my roots are so full, but my hair is getting so full. That's what happens after you offer the holistic scalp detox. And so I hope I see y'all there, or I see y'all on the other side, on the online side. Deuces. Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill two birds with one stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss, which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.